let's talk about the one fork. Every house has the one fork. And if someone else is using it, you notice. I don't personally think it's pettiness. I think it's principle. For me, I got a golden fork. The wife, she's got a certain fork that's a certain weight. Kids, they're starting to lean to it a little bit. The oldest went through a spork stage. I'm not exactly sure why, but it was a stage. And let's be honest, from emo stage to spork stage, I'll buy some damn sporks instead of all the black clothing. But we're past that. Let's not live into the past. And yeah. Food, eaten standing up, tastes better because there's no commitment. It's not eating. It's almost survival. Tell me I'm wrong, all right?